What a beautiful woodpecker. What are you doing? Not in a tree. Beautiful girl. What did you find there? They're so adorable. Must have found something. Look at that. Who would have thought that woodpecker are on the ground too?
Now look carefully as we're about to give you a clue on the screen. Use this clue to help you find the answer.
Wow, look at the gorgeous head, all red. That's metal, my darling. I don't think you can. You can't do that. Hello. I'll bring you more seeds. Yes. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Yes. I know, Kitty. She's a beautiful. Yes. Yes, Kitty. Yes, my darling. Gone up in the tree. It's gone.